Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can activate your Citibank credit card online. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC and on the top search bar type www.citicity.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Citibank. Now on the right side of your screen on this pop-up, you can see the activate button just below the sign on button. You'll have to click on this and then you'll be led to your card activation page. Now all you'll have to do is enter your card number. This card number is the 16-digit number that will be available on your card itself. So after you've entered your card number, all you'll have to do is click on the continue button. Then you'll be asked to enter some credentials, and finally you'll have successfully activated your Citibank credit card online. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.